Hi guys, I'm here at the For the Love of Food blog launch party, and I just wanted, we haven't quite started yet, but I wanted to let you guys get a peek at the food. If you aren't here yet, you definitely should come down here. It's open to the public. We're at Dee's Bottle Shop in Wake Forest, but pretty close to Raleigh, not far down Falls the Neuse Road at all. But anyway, there's a bunch of free food here and giveaways, and I want to give you a behind the scenes look at what's happening here before we get started and the food's gone. I don't think this food is going to last very long, so looks like here we have, and I am not the chef, so I'm just showing you the food, but it looks like it's a vegetable wrap with peanut sauce. Looks like maybe a Thai wrap. Looks amazing. I definitely am going to want to try that. I've been told that this right here matches the P.F. Chang's chicken lettuce wrap, and it looks even better than the P.F. Chang's wrap, which makes sense because it's homemade. Oh my god, when I saw these, I went right towards them. We have chocolate covered strawberries. We got white chocolate covered and either dark chocolate or milk chocolate covered. Either way, it looks delicious and amazing. Can give you guys a close up of those.
Alright, I'll put it right there.
And then we have fresh shrimp cocktail with shrimp and lemon. Oh, and I see some asparagus. What is this?
Bacon wrapped asparagus.
Oh my gosh.
Yummy.
I feel like I'm gonna have to get up here first because it'll all be gone.
Yeah.
It'll be gone quickly. Here, we gave you guys a sneak peek of this the other night. These are the fruit tarts. Jan has made them fresh. I've never had a freshly made fruit tart. And it looks like maybe there's some cheesecake bites here. Oh my god, that's my favorite.
Cherry cheesecake.
Cherry cheesecake bites. And then here we have, hi Rob. Here we have a freshly made bean salad. We've got some guacamole. Some healthier foods here. Look at all the fresh veggies. We've got some snacks, just easy to eat, quick snacks. And right here, what do we have right here?
So this is tzatziki sauce. So it's for the just the fresh newly made pitas or some crudité. And then here we have some brie tarts with some apricot.
That looks amazing.
And then we got some pasta salad with some fresh and roasted vegetables with some feta cheese and black olives.
Did you guys make all of this?
All of it in the last 24 hours.
That is crazy. Thank you for making all this food for us to try. And this is the close-up of the bacon wrapped asparagus. Oh my goodness. And then we have a salad here.
Yes, so we have fresh arugula, baby spinach with some crispy bacon, pears, and a balsamic glaze.
Oh my gosh. How long? It took you less than 24 hours to make all of this?
Yeah, 24 hours we did.
That is
almost straight.
Wow.
We're running off a few hours of sleep, but it's all worth it.
Definitely. Look how delicious it is. And they do, I'm going to ask, do you cater? I've heard someone asking if you would cater.
We do not cater.
You don't cater.
We don't cater.
Happy to refer to some wonderful chefs who do.
Gotcha.
So
Okay.
yes, so that's part of being in this foodie life now, right?
Right, so anytime you need to know about food, you definitely can ask For the Love of Food, and they can let you know the answers, because this is their specialty. What is this? It looks like cheese.
This is a carrot ginger soup.
Oh my gosh.
So this is one of my specialties. It's got a little bit of cream in it. So just if anybody doesn't can't handle cream, but it's a cream of carrot and ginger soup. It's amazing, and I always say I wish I had smell-o-vision, because if you could smell this, then you would know.
Well, I can look at it. It looks beautiful. I can't wait. It looks so rich. You know, I've had carrot ginger soup, but I've never had it with cream. I think it's going to really add another dimension of flavor.
So we also made our own, I was raised by Italians, and so Nikki knows now how to make my sauce, but this is on our site. It's called Snooki's Spaghetti Sauce.
Snooki's spaghetti sauce.
So Snooki was the one who taught me, and she was an older Italian woman. And we also made another Italian woman's meatballs, Rosetta's meatballs. Those are both on our site.
Amazing. Yes, these recipes you can find on the website For the Love of Food. And I'm just going to show you very quickly. And then I'm going to switch to my own Facebook and go live from there and show you guys. Some of my followers can look too. Over here, you can actually pick up some of these recipes. She's doing a giveaway, so you can just come have a recipe, just pick it up and take it home. It's yours. If it looks delicious, you can take it home and make it tonight. And you can even get some free seeds to plant a garden. So maybe you want to make some of that carrot ginger soup. We've got the carrots for you right here. They're free. And we have, oh my gosh, look at this. We actually have the recipe for it too. So if you think it sounds delicious, you can just come on down, try it for free, and then get some of the ingredients to make it yourself. We're also going to have t-shirt giveaways and lots of other cool prizes, including a kitchen item giveaway. Even I don't know what it is. I can't wait to find out. But if you want to enter into that contest, I've actually shared the link on For the Love of Food, and I'll share it again. We just need you to sign up for the newsletter. You don't even have to be here to try to win it. So I'm going to switch over to my Facebook now, and I'll see you guys there. Bye.